You are welcome to learn ArabicEasily.com. Download our videos to beautify your home with Arabic and Islamic knowledge.
Assalamu alaikum. You're welcome to grammar class, and today our topic is Al-Irob. Let's get started. So we're going to learn Ta'rif al-Irob, that is the definition of Al-Irob, and we're going to learn Aqsam al-Irob, that is the division of Al-Irob, and we're going to learn Alamat al-Irob, that is the signs of Al-Irob. Let's get started. So what is the definition of Al-Irob? Al-Irob simply means literally to make clear, to make something to be clear. So let's look at the technical meaning of Al-Irob. We say هو تغيير في أواخر الكلمات العربية. It is the change at the end of Arabic word لاختلاف العوامل الداخلة عليها, because of the different instruments that enter onto it. لفظا أو تقديرا. لفظا means verbally, and تقديرا means non-verbally, that is inside. So Al-Irob simply means inflection. We want to see how the end of a word will change in terms of the vowels Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma and Sukun. So let's look at the Aqsam al-Irob. From the definition we can get two types of Al-Irob, in which we are going to add another one. So we say we have Al-Irob al-Lafzi, the verbal inflection. The verbal inflection, that is, whenever there's change at the end of a word, it is going to appear on our tongue verbally. For example, I have ضرب زيد خالدا, and this means Zayd beat Khalid. You can see Khalidan, the den as fathatan because it is in the object position. We can see that it has fathatan because it is in the object position, and fathatan shows. Another type is al-i'rab al-taqdiri. It is non-verbal inflection. Yes, it has fathatan, but the fathatan is not going to show. It is going to be internal. So I say ضرب زيد موسى. Zayd beat Musa. The last letter for Musa is Ya, and Ya is supposed to take Fatha or Fathatan as the case may be, but here the Fatha is embedded on the Alif, or in the Alif on the Ya, so we cannot see it even while it is there. The last is Al-I'rabu Al-Mahalli, positional inflection. You say ضربه زيد. Zayd beat him. Him is the object position and it's supposed to take Fatha, but here, because the pronoun represents the object, the pronoun takes its own permanent vowel, which is Dhamma. Therefore the who is sitting in the position of an object. So we say Al-I'rabu Al-Mahalli. So Lafzi means verbal, Taqdiri means assumed or internal, and Mahalli means positional. Al-I'rab can also be grouped into three. The first one is Al-Rafa, which is the basis of Rafa is Dhamma. The next is Al-Nasbu, in which the basis of Nasbu is Fatha. The third is Al-Jarru, in which the basis of Al-Jarru is Kasra. And the last is Al-Jazmu. The basis of Al-Jazmu is Al-Sukun. So all the alamat, the signs of Al-I'rab, they are 14 in numbers. in which they are grouped into two categories. We have al-asliya, the basis, in which we have mentioned, and we also have the na'iba, those ones that represent the basis when the bases are not functional. So the bases are four, as we have said. We have fatha, kasra, dhamma, and sukun. While the na'iba, they are the remaining signs. Then they are 10. All these 10, they are grouped. They are either al-harakat, that is vowels. They are either al-huruf, letters, and they are either al-hadf. Al-hadf means to erase or erasing. So it is good to know that al-fathatu hiya akhaffu al-harakat. The lightest of all the vowels is al-fatha. So don't forget that al-hadf means to erase, and the fatha is the lightest of all the haraka. So today we've learned ta'rif al-i'rab, the definition of inflection, and we have learned aqsam al-i'rab, divisions of i'rab, and we have also learned alamat al-i'rab, the signs of inflection. Shukran, thanks so much, goodbye.